Happymailqueen. I'm back with a small project share. I was playing with some of my new dies that I had purchased on Amazon. I did pick up this die right here, and it creates two different size bows. So I wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. So this is the larger one right here. So this is the body and this is the tail. And then of course you have the belt that wraps around, and this is how it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it, and I love that it's stitched, and it's just a different looking kind of bow, so I thought I'd just go ahead and purchase it. It wasn't too expensive online. I'll leave the link if you guys are interested, in case you don't have it, but you might have it already. I recently saw my bestie Sophia Paper Sweets. She had shared it on one of her projects, and I thought, oh goodness, I think I need to have that die. So I went ahead and got it. I found it on Amazon. Here's the smaller one. So as you can see, it is just a tad smaller. And then I just put the flat back gems, or I don't know what they are. They're flat back drops from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. So yeah, and just to let you guys know, Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, she has some new items. I believe though her website is down at the moment, but you know, she will keep us updated, and I will keep you guys updated when it does go back up. But she I think soon we'll be shipping out the new her new release, so watch out for that, you guys. All right, so here's another one right here that I made, another small one, and again I used the Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio little drops. I love those. They are so cute, and I love the colors as well. I'm trying to find it for you guys so I can show you, in case you guys missed my video the last time. Oh, it went under here. No wonder. I had it all ready for you guys, but so these are it right here. They are so cute, and I don't know how, they're probably like 12 millimeters maybe in size, so those are fun. I also created these using the We Are Memory Keepers acetate. So I did sew that to make sure that it stayed in place. I just hand sewed it, and then I did use my DMC, this one right here, the DMC thread, and that I got from Amazon, and I did wrap it around just to secure it. And so those came out super cute as well. Love them. I wanted to play with this die right here. I was enabled by put some bling on it, Natalie, and I did see a project that she did. I think she made a card. Here's the small one, so I was able to purchase both of them in the same purchase, and I got that on Amazon. And this is how the small one looks like, and I just made a shaker using the Maggie Holmes Garden Party and some sparkly what is this, glitter cardstock, and I used this bow, clay bow from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I put this little pearl charm, which was gifted me recently by my friend Bernadette, so thank you for that, Bernadette. So I just put some sequence mix in there, and isn't it cute? And it is with foam and acetate. That's how I made my shaker. So cute. And then I made the big one, and the big one is quite much larger than the small, as you can see there. And oh, and for the papers here, I did use the Obed Marshall paper for these two, and the pink one is Maggie Holmes. You guys probably recognize it. For the acetate here, I did use my polka dotted acetate. I can't remember where I got it. I think maybe at Michael's. And it has this rose gold color. And then this is the Michael's holographic paper that I had hauled. And I think it came out so cute. And I love the acetate look. You guys see that? And this bow is from My Creative Time, and I'll show you guys because I did make some more. Let me show you. Oh, and just to show you what I did with the bows, I made a little topper, super simple topper. This is my topper die right here. I got this a while ago. Like, I don't even know where I got it. Maybe on Amazon too, I'm not sure, or Ali. But I just made a super simple topper just to, because I'm trying to send some more Happy Mail out. And the clay, that's from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And I only have the purple ones left because I've used up all of the other ones. So just to show you guys that. Okay, so then let me show you the bows. I did get the assorted tiny bows. I can't remember what they're called, if they're called tiny bows, but I was looking in the back to see, but I forgot I already repackaged it, or I put my magnetic sheet. But anyway, these are the bows, you guys. They are so stinking cute. So as you can see here, this was created by these two dies right here. Look how cute they are, and I love how I can just pop these up. Super cute, right? So here is this one right here. So this is the second to smallest one. So there's that. And then, did I show you guys this one? Here's the teeny tiny one. This one is created using the Obed Marshall paper again. And then I love this one right here. I love the shape of these too, you guys. And I love how the bows are, you know, a different shape, or the tails are a different shape. I think it's so pretty. And this one reminds me of the Obed Marshall bow. Just the shape of it. And I love that they're stitched. Let me just see if I can focus there. Sorry about that. It wasn't quite focusing. So there's this one, and then this one, and this one. So this, you can use the tail, the same tail for this one as well. And here are the two different ones. So you have this heart-shaped one, and then you have the more square. Aren't they cute? So I had fun just playing around with these bows. Okay, then for my last project, share, I've been working on this. This has been sitting on my desk for more than a month, you guys. I created this right after I started making the embellishments, the Maggie Holmes embellishments, the Teapot embellishments. So anyway, I wanted to create a small mini album using this die right here. And I used several other dies that I'll just kind of point out as I go along. And anyway, so here is, look how cute. I made a little mini album, and I basically used, like I said, the Teapot die set, and this one right here. And for the base, right here, I wanted to put a little pedestal. I just thought it would look so much cuter. And this is actually a cupcake die set from Sarah Davis. Here's the die, and I basically just turned this upside down. This is supposed to be the bottom of the cupcake, or the cupcake liner. I turned it upside down like that, and I thought it would look perfect. It would fit perfectly underneath on the bottom. And so this is about 4 layers, you guys. I did use 110-pound cardstock. And then I sandwiched that in between the pattern paper from Maggie Holmes. And I also sandwiched this piece right here. Now this is also, wow, I think it's either 2 or 3 layers. And it's double-sided, and then I put it inside here. I don't know if you can see, so that it stayed on the bottom, and I made it super sturdy, so of course it doesn't get all bent out of shape, because it is like a filigree, and I used foiled paper. So yay, I finally got it done. Like I said, this was on my desk in my craft room for about over a month. Oh, let me just show you. All right, so I made these banners. You guys probably have seen this. I posted it on Instagram and I showed it here too. And here's one of my rosettes. This is actually a shaker, you guys. I used this die right here. It is a wreath die from Alina Craft, and I actually put some tulle behind the die cut, and then I put also just a thin layer of foam, yellow foam, and I made it into a shaker, but then I covered it up with this, so oh well. But anyway, it does shake, as you hear. But yeah, I just started layering it, and you guys have seen this rosette that I made, and used this yellow disc from Joann's. Okay, so anyway, that's the first page. The second page, let me just cover up the recipient's name. I basically used another banner, and then as you can see, I used the cake stand, and I showed this on my other video. So there's that one, and then this one, I kept it pretty simple, simply decorated, because I want it to be a mini album, so the recipient can stick their picture inside. And so I did keep the little round part that popped out when I made my little round frame. And for that one, I did use this die right here, my favorite things die. And yeah, and I put acetate, so that way, you know, the picture doesn't get ruined. And then this is I just fussy cut this, put a bling on that. Okay, and then I did the same thing, so it's simply decorated, you guys, because it was getting bulky. And so I had to just keep everything flat. So I did the same thing here, and the recipient again can put photos. I used one of the chipboard stickers from this collection. You guys have seen this by die cut that I created with the little flowers. I just basically glued that on there. Couldn't do too much with this because I wanted, you know, to be able to see the bows as well. And then this page right here, I just did a little cluster with the ephemeras, and this is a sticker from the collection, and a chipboard sticker as well. So really cute. Made another frame. This time I used this Alina Craft die. They're flower shaped set right here. And I just used 2 of the dies to create this little frame, and put some acetate under there. This is a sticker from the Maggie Holmes collection. And here's the next one. And now this die right here, I believe this was gifted to me by my friend Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs here on YouTube. And that is such a pretty edge die. And I put happy birthday right here, used some of the puffy stickers. And then this one here, I made another one of these shakers, and here's that teeny tiny bow. This one, wait, it was this one. Whoops. This one right here. this size. Super cute. This is an ephemera, but I decided to put acetate behind it. I just fussy cut a piece of acetate, and then she can also pop a picture in there. And then this is another die. I believe this is a Spellbinders die. I just popped it up with foam. And then this here, I believe it's a Queen & Company shaker. I could have made it into a shaker. I had the acetate on there already, but it was getting too bulky, so I couldn't pop it up. So I just kept it as is, and then put some of these butterfly and bee stickers, puffy stickers from the collection again, and then I made another frame and then just used this Alina Craft flower sequins and this bow from Maggie Holmes, and then the back just looks like that. So this was so much fun to make, and I'm so happy that I finally finished it. But I love it. I think it's so pretty and very elegant looking and perfect for a tea party, right? So that is my project share for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry that this took a little bit long, but I did have a lot to share with you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.